Dear students, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So today we will be doing question number 20, exercise 6.5, which is based on application of derivative, maximum minimum word problem. It carries 5 marks in the board examination. Question is, show that the right circular cylinder of given surface and maximum volume is such that the height or is equal to diameter of the base. Question is about a cylinder. Right circular cylinder means whose base is a circle. You know, circle has a radius and it has a height. There are two dimensions. It has maximum volume. When the height is equal to diameter of the base. So given that volume is maximum and it has given surface, that means surface area is constant. Surface area is given. What is given quantity, that is your constant. Now question is whether it will be curved surface area or total surface area. Unless it is mentioned as curved surface, you will take it is total surface area. This is your constant. Next what? Next you have to analyze the question in this way. You have to show that the height is equal to diameter of the base. You have to show that height is equal to twice r. When it has maximum volume. So volume is maximum. तो आई होप अब हम आप लोग को समझ में आया. वॉल्यूम मैक्सिमम है तब आपको प्रूव करना है कि क्या होगा ना, हाइट इसका डबल ऑफ रेडियस होगा. तो व्हाट टू डू, वी हैव टू राइट द formula for volume. What is it? It is pi into r square h. So you have to recall all the formula mensuration what I've read in class 10. Pi r square h. This is maximum. Now you know that anything is maximum, its derivative is 0. But when I'll differentiate this with respect to what? Shall I differentiate with respect to r, or I'll differentiate with respect to h? There is a confusion because both are variables. R is also changing, h is also changing. Then what to do? We have to convert one variable to other, either R to H or S to R. How? With help of the constant. What is constant? Constant is your curved surface area, S. How much it is? Curved surface, total surface area. What is the total surface area? Total surface area, I am denoting this is S. It will be pi r square 2 times, because this is 2 pi r square, not 2 pi r square, pi r square. Total gives you 2 pi r square, and the curved surface area is 2 pi r h. So you have already read it, so I am not deriving this. S is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. From this expression, we'll change either r to h or s to r. Now see the expression. Which conversion is easy? Either H to R or S to R to H. H is at one place only, so it is easy to change it. So I am changing. So I'll write? I'll write 2 pi R H is equal to S minus 2 pi R square. Then what will be H? H is equal to S minus 2 pi r square whole upon 2 pi r. Now I'll take your H and I'll put here. So V will becomes how much? V will becomes, let me rub here. Then B will be how much? B will be pi r square, and in place of h I'll write s minus 2 pi r square whole upon 2 pi r. Let us simplify again. 1 pi cancel, r is also cancelled. Now I'll go on multiplying. So this will be rs. Again multiplying, I am getting minus 2 pi r cube. This is your volume. So V is equal to rs minus 2 pi r cube. So here S is constant. S is constant, R is variable. So I'll write dV to dr or dV to dr. How much it will be? R derivative is 1, so it will be S. Here R cube, it will be 3R square. So R cube derivative will be 3R square, so 6 pi R square. This is equal to 0. Why? Volume is maximum. What does it mean? It means that S is equal to 6 pi R square. Then I'll go S is equal to 6 pi R square. I'll put in H. So H is equal to S is equal to 6 pi R square minus 2 pi R square whole by 2 pi R. So that will be 4 pi R square upon 2 pi R. Your R cancel, pi cancel. This is 2. So H is equal to twice R. We proved H is equal to 2 twice R. It is proved, but not verified, not justified. How to justify? You have to take your second derivative. Those second derivatives you will start from first derivative. What is first derivative? dv to dr is equal to s minus 6 pi r square. So second derivative will be d square v to dv dr square is equal to s is a constant, so its derivative is 0. Now r square is 2r, so minus 12 pi r. So it is a negative because you are getting a negative term, so this is always less than 0. Hence verified. What verified? Maximum verified. Maximum verified. So I hope you have followed it. So thank you for watching. Keep on watching. Like the video, share the video, subscribe if you have not subscribed so that you can get scope to learn more and more every day. Thank you and have a nice day.